Good evening, my people. I want to explain wetin happened to me on my way from work to my house. I take tinted keke mini bus that is going to St. John's, Iwofe Road. As I enter, I'm not the only one there. No be me be the only person. As we gather enter the bus, na per knife with gun, now we see. They say everybody silent, if not they will kill you. The next thing, they open one cooler, human being pass, breast, everything dey inside with ice block. They say if we talk, then go kill us. We reach police checking point. Police people know they even they check motor, wetin dey happen. Their own na to take ransom. They go 100 naira. We no fit shout, we no fit do anything because we dey for death point. We endure till before we find ourselves. Now inside Eche local government, inside forest, where they sell human pass. People they come there, they drive motor, they come buy human pass, put for fufla schooler, carry go their house. They say 2023 election they come, now wetin dem talk. When I hear things they happen, people they die every day. People they die every day for Nigeria. People they miss every day for Nigeria. See wetin dem do to me. See wetin dem do to me. Dem carry me on Sunday, which is on the 23rd of May. They released me around 8. After they said my people should pay some. After they said my people should pay some ransom. They touched my breast. They say you don't born. Go this side. Say you know day of no use. Say then they find people who never born. Then they slaughter them. People when they kill like 7 people for my present with my koro eye. And so they cry. I say, God, my pikin, God, wetin I want tell people. My people no know where are they. The next thing, they take my naked photo. They send them to my people. They say my people should pay ransom of 3 million naira. We no get the money. Now so we beg. Now so friends from different angle come they help. They provide. Now so they take gather. The little one where they gather. Beg them with God. I beg them, cry. People they die. Even one lady where they sick asthma. She die on top of my leg. Then throw her inside the pit bar. Then they put people, cut people. People they select how much with this part, then they buy, they go. Mona do something. Nigerians, I beg. We they die for River State. Then they keep people for River State, mini bus, tinted bus. Where they go, those keke tinted bus, where they go, all of them, they are risky. Please, Facebook friends. I saw somebody wey come meet me for there. She said she find person from Lagos. Come that place. I say, what you come do for that place? You no see man for Lagos. You find man who come here. Yeah. Yesterday, they kill the lady. Slaughter her, sell her pass. She never born one pikin. Things they happen for River State. Young girls, young boys, small children, and they carry. People they miss for inside the country where we dey, but we don't know. You go see your fellow neighbor, you never see him 1 week, you don't know where in dey. You don't know whether they don't kidnap him. Kidnappers. Then they say human being pass. People they come there, come by. My people, more na fight against this thing. Human slaughter. I beg. The place where they carry me go, the only thing I remember, them blindfold me. After my people don't cooperate with them, finish them, blindfold me, carry me, come out. The only thing I can remember when I raise my eye, now Catholic Church of Nigeria, now see, for Eche local government. Now so, are they there? Police call. Say people come to pay ransom, then carry police people from River State, they come. Say make them shift us, go inside another camp, inside the forest. Say then they come. Now waiting police people, they bargain with those people. The chief, everybody of that local government, they know what is going on there. Please, you people should help. People are dying. There are more people there. Victims are there. They are selling human parts. They keep iron table when they say they slaughter people. Almost 7 people die for my. Please, you people should help. People are dying. There are more people there. Victims are there. They are selling human parts. They keep iron table when they say they slaughter people. Almost 7 people die for my present. Look at my body. More na see my body. See wetin human being dey do. See all my body. I no feel naked. More na see my body. They post my naked picture. Snap me with a lady. Even that lady self now, she don't die. She dey sick asthma. 6,000 naira now I beg them. Say make them go buy this thing for her. They say no. Make her brother send money. Even her brother dey blind. She get 5 children. The brother say him wife don't leave am. Say na only that his sister they take care of her. Make them leave am for her. Him dey blind. I beg. They no fit buy inhaler for her. 6,000. The lady dey there die on top of my lap. Give up. Stretch for there. I don't know wetin I for do. More na help. Nigeria we dey die. Then they kill people every day. Human slaughter. Inside Rivers State things dey happen. Children they disappear. See, I take drip to help myself. I won't go there. I say I dey hospital since. I just say ma take drip finish make I go house. So I just want to make this video viral. Make people see them. Make them walk towards it. A share local government. Make them go there. Make them go see wetin dey happen inside their forest. If na jet then go carry go there. Make them carry go. People they die every day. The only wetin I want tell on my people. Una thank you.
Hello once again, my people. Good morning and good afternoon and good evening. Depends on the time when I see my video. So my people, I just want to do this month video concerning what they happen for our country and our country Nigeria. So my people, if una see this my video, una see this message, make una share am. Is very important. Una share am to our brothers and sisters. My name now once again Agape Love TV. Please, if you have not subscribed, if today is your first time just to see my YouTube channel, please do me a favor and press the notification button, press the red button, and don't forget to press the notification button so that anytime I upload video, you will be notified. For those my subscribers, thank you and God bless you. So, I continue with the video with what I talk about. So, with the year since ever since, I know so many of us don't hear. For those of us who never see year, we never see the video, I go like post the video after I don't talk finish. So I beg my sisters, my brothers and sisters, but mostly our sisters, because since I begin to hear this issue, I never hear concerning men. Na so women, girls, children, now always the year. I beg, na real true say that they say body parts now for Nigeria. So I beg my people, make we dey careful, and moreover anywhere we dey go, make we dey make sure say we dey tell our the people who will gather the house, so that may God forbid say something happen, they go know where to locate you go. So this our sister. I first see one video concerning one lady where if I come and talk concerning this body part, how where they sell body part, where they slaughter people, they sell people, they come there, come they buy, especially all these politicians. So the lady first come out, come talk about her. Now that time we want to do this video, but I not gonna know why I not fit do. I will say I can't today busy that time, so I not gonna do the video again. So this one, another lady now still come outside now. See the way they take beat the lady. Even the other one way first still come outside, we be say people come, a family can donate money for where they can rescue her, as the way they can bail and come on for this kidnapper, this one chance people hand. So now see how her body be. Those of us who see the video that first time, now go see how her body still be. So this very lady too, the same thing. So I beg, I use God, beg God, especially those our sisters where they our country Nigeria. Now here and wait, so say the woman or the lady girl where they keep for your presence, He said that one comot for house, come find comot for Lagos, come that place where he mention. Na go hear the place where he mention na herself, na go hear about una sef. Come see boyfriend, na boyfriend na he come see una. He say enter one chance where she did so, say na her present na dey kill her. So that make me say this video na mostly for our guests wey dey waka waka, wey dey comot for house, wey dey talk, dey do say they be sister, nobody dey fit talk to them. Wey be say they be sister, if they dey come outside, they no want tell people, tell person wey even need them where they dey go. Their own na to just baff dress, they comot. They no go even say, so go even manage to say I dey come, so we no go even manage talk. Their own na to just dress, carry their handbag, they comot. If they no go even they go, some of them go dey with their parents for house, so even take their parents where they dey go, na problem. So abeg, make una use sense for anything una dey do. Make una use sense. Una no go fall, may God no let una go fall for this one chance. So for those our oga kpatakpata, our police, make una do something about this issue. Make una do something, because now hear from this lady now. He say our people, he full the finish for bush. Business dey inside bush wey they do. She no fit talk where the place, because no be clear eye they take carry the reach there. Now where she know reach, now she talk so I beg, especially that state, many those states where all those things they happen, make una do something. Make una do something about her. So my people, make una share this video. For those who get ear, make the ear. God bless una. And bye bye. See you next on my next video. Bye.